money on the loot boxes this time.
Real money?
In real life money?
Like, fuck it, I'll work an extra couple hours of overtime so I can buy 50 loot boxes.
Oh no. Oh no, Papa, no.
I always buy loot boxes.
Wow, you know what's cool? Consumerism.
Yep.
Goddamn right it is.
Shut up, dude.
Alright guys, what are we holding?
Right? I don't know.
I'm holding
You're
the right of the point.
What'd you say, Lil?
Right.
Close to point.
Yeah, right to the point.
What's the point?
Clear
Okay.
comps. Hey, Genji.
Slowly be careful, just because they do have
They
two
have
very good
Hammond
widow
here.
players.
Hammond
Monkey's
and...
dead.
Oh, they're running triple tank.
They're gonna try to res that.
That was big.
If it doesn't work out, I'll switch to Hanzo.
They res the monkey.
Yeah.
He's going around the left. No, wait, yeah. Top left.
How is
Diva's hit.
Yeah, actually.
They're down res 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't
top
know
left,
why.
top left, top left, top
They're
left.
all going left.
Rotate, rotate, rotate.
Rotating now.
Cancer's half. Monkey's gonna jump me, by the way. Here he comes.
Shield's half.
Oh, here she comes.
Hammond half.
Let's
No supports.
Send one, send one.
Diva one. Diva out of neck. Genji's chasing me. Stay on Genji, please. Genji one. Genji one. Genji one. Genji one.
Dead, everyone's dead.
We're gonna have to switch off Widow. We need more damage.
While for the future, don't hold that far back in that room. It's better to hold on the left side towards the gate so that it's easier for me to fly to you without getting trapped.
Could I play Tracer into this battle?
No. Mercury.
No.
Okay though.
Monkey going, monkey main. Genji trying to
Alright,
drop top.
just hold right here. Hold the corner. We're fine.
Okay. Genji up top.
Diva's out of mech still.
Genji top right.
I can't get Genji right now.
He's discorded.
Monkey's looking to jump. Monkey's half.
I have barrage.
Okay.
You can push
Mercy
up
half.
on the cart.
Mercy half, Mercy low.
I can't
Hammond
get
low.
to her. Break the
Hammond low, Hammond low, Hammond down.
Done.
Monkey
If you
discorded.
don't-
Be watching out for a Genji blade.
Shield to 800, 700.
Give it to
Down.
neck.
Charging shield, charging shield, charging shield.
Do you have grab? Monkey on left. Monkey on left. One. Break his bubble. Break his bubble.
Mercy one, Mercy one.
I can't get to her.
I have grav.
Hold
Do we
it.
have combo?
Alright, we can use it. Yeah, we have combo.
If we grab
yeah.
their Zen, probably is ult.
Another 600, charging shield, charging shield.
Alright, let's shield charge. Let's shield charge. Just play around the corner here. Hold on, Aeon. Hey, hold on. Come back. Come back. Come back. Diva's out of mech, so you can grab whenever. Actually, you don't have to get all four.
Well, no, she
Diva
just got it
back.
back.
Diva got back.
Alright,
Diva
that's
got
fine.
back.
That's fine.
Genji up top.
Monkey discord.
Monkey jump.
Genji up top.
Monkey, 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 monkey,
Oh,
monkey,
Hammond's
monkey.
on me. Hammond's on.
Blade.
Hammond's behind still.
I can't. I'm not gonna be able to kill him. I feel
Okay,
dead.
right.
We held ult too long.
Yeah,
If
I
I
was waiting for the grave.
Alright, that's fine.
They're still gonna have a
If you
Diva
wanna
on Winston ult.
use your ult in the
In a
grab
trance.
though, then say it, because we're planning on using Hanzo Dragon.
Are we gonna
and would've
contest?
just burned both.
Someone
Yeah,
needs
we
to
need
touch.
to try.
Someone needs to touch.
No, we
Okay.
can't.
No, we
have
can't
to
touch. It actually feels terrible.
Monkey discord. Monkey
Get out.
discord.
Get out. We're all staggered.
We really need to work on contesting when we're on this point, because so many times whenever we lose one fight, they just push it
Shield
straight.
low, shield low.
And he's behind us.
Because we back up and die not on point, and they push it and we get staggered.
Yeah, we're like still staggered right now.
Genji up top.
We're gonna be staggered like this whole fight. I'm just gonna wait and spawn, because I'm not gonna be able to do
Yeah.
anything without Aeon.
They're spawn camping. We can't
Yep.
leave spawn without.
Don't go out the
So
spawn.
then don't leave
We have
spawn.
a grab, so
Yeah,
just
I'm staying
wait.
with you guys.
Don't use your barrage for the grab, okay? Just let us dragon it.
Okay, that's fine.
They have trance though, so
Okay,
actually,
then I'll use
Just
my
as long
barrage
as
after
we
this round.
shoot or swing into it, we should be good.
okay. Can you grab this?
Alright, yeah. Grab it.
Like,
I'm just
Alright,
throwing
stay
rockets
grab.
in there.
Keep swinging, keep swinging.
okay, we're okay. We're okay.
Hammond by
Break
spawn,
the.
Hammond
There's
by
a Hammond in the
spawn,
back.
Hammond
Hammond in the
by
back.
Zen.
Zen
Zen.
one. Down.
Uh,
Down.
I think
They
we
have
just
the
burn
diva
that
running away.
out.
Diva 1. Diva the 1 HP, but shield on.
Alright,
Yeah,
they
she
use
got out.
they use transfer that fight. They have a Junkrat. Never mind, shot the Widow.
They're probably close to another shield
FPS.
as well as a. They should still have a diva bomb and a
They're gonna res
good
that.
shield.
Breaking bubble here.
That monkey's gonna jump.
All right, I'm a shatter. Looking for shatter.
Alright, walk up. Monkey's in the back.
Monkey behind.
Monkey's up.
Mercy 1.
Genji 1.
Genji.
Genji's bleeding, so we should be killing him.
Mercy down.
Bubble.
Diva's
Diva
almost
just
out.
got
Diva, you can DMAC Diva.
Monkey
Widow
1.
up top. Widow up top. Widow 1.
Once you demech her, watch out for a
Widow
bomb.
down.
Monkey's in the back still.
Watch it.
Monkey's in the back.
He's very low.
Monkey dead.
Big.
Thank you.
Diva half. Diva 1.
You
Diva
got
out
him,
of
Mac?
there.
Genji.
now. No deflect. Genji, no deflect still, please. Alright.
Trying, my tracking is horrible.
I'm gonna dragon early. We'll just use Savior Barrage for
Genji's up top left.
the grab, okay?
I'm probably gonna use Angel this fight.
They just swapped Orion, so.
Genji no deflect discorded.
Genji dead.
Ryan's low.
They're gonna try to
700.
res.
Charging shield.
Oh, they got a widow top right.
Widow, yeah, top right.
I can push her. Widow dead. I need heals on Hanzo.
Yeah.
Diva out of mech.
Ryan has no barrier. I have a grab.
Keep it up.
Save it for next fight.
Charging shield.
We can grab dragon again.
We can actually just grab Pharah since we have some space here. We just watch for the Widow.
If Widow's down, I'll
Lucky.
go.
Here,
If you
push
can
up, push up,
Res
push up,
that?
push up,
Push
push
up and
up.
shield it and res it. There you go. You can grab this. You can grab right here.
Go.
Right here. That's actually big. Can you get that, Sully? There you go. Winnable. Back out now.
Oh,
Back
oh,
up.
help me. Oh, shit.
I should have ulted right behind that corner a little more so that I was at Widow's like sight,
It's okay.
sight line.
It's fine. It's fine.
This fight is not over.
We stopped them from getting like a full push there, so we're okay.
Nice
got
pick.
shatter
ready.
That's
Widow.
actually huge.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that, but it'll still be big.
Oh, okay.
Run.
Discord.
Widow 1. Widow 1.
Dragon right. Dragon no bubble.
Yeah, Mercy.
Nice.
Sorry, at 1.
Got it.
Alright, you don't have to chase. Widow's gonna get back soon, so careful. They don't have. Oh wait, no, they still have it.
Widow's up now.
They're gonna have some ults.
Some.
We
Yes.
have Zen ult and that's it.
I missed. Genji on right, separated.
They have walls.
Genji's gonna blade this from the right side. Be ready to check him. Okay? Genji on right side still. Zen's with him.
Careful,
He's
careful.
probably gonna transblade him. Pressure Rhine Shield. We can play back a little bit. Be ready for the Genji. That's all we're worried about right now.
Zenyatta,
Genji.
Zenyatta,
They definitely have shatter.
So widow got me in the back.
Keep shield up.
Thank you.
It's a Genji blade. Genji.
Mercy down, mercy down.
Shield at 500.
Nice.
Yeah, bitch,
Good
let's
block.
go.
Your Zen's the only healer
Oh,
right now.
watch
Help
Widow
him.
on the left.
Genji behind on me.
Guys, kill the
No
Genji.
deflect?
He's gonna kill your Zen. You have no healers now.
Oh no.
We can't ignore him, holy shit. Alright, we have to go, like, I don't know what we can do here.
Point.
I'm gonna stall as much as I can.
Ryan's weak.
Oh, the Widow.
And we got overtime. Which is big.
Alright. Big shatter. We're letting Genji do whatever he wants.
Score 0-3. Switching sides. Practice makes perfect. Prepare to attack.
When we use Grav and Barrage like that, like knowing that they have a Widow and all that, what we should probably do is just Barrage behind the Rhine shield Like, if they're all caught in it like that, and you're just behind the shield, they're not going to be able to kill you.
Hmm.
You
Okay.
know what I mean?
I never thought about
Like,
that.
that's just an idea. Like, because you don't need to be in the air if they're all just already in one spot, right?
Yeah.
That's just a thought.
Okay. Got it.
We got them to overtime, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Pretty overtime.
Alright, when I call Genji, this time we focus Genji, okay? Like, we lost that fight towards the end when I called Genji on the right side and said he had a blade. Like, I like was like talking about it for like 30 seconds straight. Like, alright, Genji's on the right side, he's going to blade. Genji's still on the right side, and then he bladed and killed our Mercy.
That actually only really happened because, like, from what I saw, the Widow was able to just get free shots and took out Mercy. And so when they went for the res, that's why Genji was able to
the Widow
blade.
picked me, and then because I was.
If the Widow
back
didn't have free
on
sights,
the
if
left.
we were a little more aware of that and pressured, then that wouldn't have happened. Genji just took advantage of the moment after our Mercy got sniped.
I mean, we still had 5 people up though who should have been focusing the ulting Genji, who we knew was gonna ult.
Yeah, agreed at that point.
Alright, lower left.
They're top left. At least Widow is. You guys go through lower left. I'm gonna try to.
This
push
might
up.
be a mistake
Trap.
if they have a Junkrat.
Do we still want
The
to go?
Junkrat's holding right. They have Orisa.
Yeah, but he's spamming this.
Two.
Well, let him do that. Drop shield, drop shield. Okay, put it back up.
Are we pushing? Or
Just
not?
start walking
Actually,
past him. Walk left side.
Shield low,
Oh,
shield
we're
low,
just speeding
front shield.
shield.
You're giving me tons of charge.
Alright, I dropped them all.
That was a good move.
He was half.
Alright,
Up
push
top
low
still.
right.
We're gonna walk right into junks.
He was up here. Orisa's half.
Both the tanks are out there. Get down. Get down. Go to the point.
Actually, yeah, let's just go around.
There's a
Yeah,
Widow
go
on
to the
top of
point.
point.
They're all off
Yeah,
the
yeah.
point.
Widow on top of point.
Widow's one. Widow one.
Got
There
it,
you go.
got it.
Junkrat
Mercy
discard,
low,
Do
Junkrat
you have
discard.
res? Do you have res?
Junkrat
I
discard,
do,
right at
but
point. Right at point.
Oh shoot, keep me up, keep me up. Damn it.
Alright, full reset.
Yeah, no, this Mercy nerf is definitely noticeable.
Alright. This time, don't hold your shield up if you're standing still.
Alright.
Just put your shield up and walk into him, because they have a junk who's just gonna like destroy your shield if you feed it to him.
Alright, do you want to try going top right?
Top right's kind of useless. We should just go left side around the junk span.
Alright.
Just go to point. They have to drop down to us. Okay. I'm trapped point right now.
Shh.
That should be fine though. Yeah, I'm fine.
Top several.
Come to point. Come to point.
Oh, watch out, watch out. Good shit.
Let's push in, push in,
Shield's low,
push in.
shield's low, shield's real
Jump,
low.
jump, jump, jump,
Junk, junk, junk.
He's dead.
Break
Even
the shield.
discard?
Just-
Diva, diva, diva.
Diva, diva, diva. Diva, diva, diva.
Low.
Yeah, they force trans.
Ask.
Keep calling targets.
Diva, diva, diva.
Diva, 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 diva.
Swing
diva,
into it,
diva,
swing.
Swings. Diva, 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 diva. Orisa, Orisa, Orisa. Keep shield up, keep
He's
shield
dead.
up.
Shit.
There you go.
Widow's in the back.
Head.
Back right side. Back right side. Just keep his shield up. You don't have to go for anything crazy. You just want to make sure we cap. There you go.
Where'd I get hit from?
Start his shield. You want to get pulled forward.
Is Widow still up there?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna walls. Zen top right. You see him?
I only see 5.
Zen's back, top right. Widow's looking for some peek shots. Shield's low, shield's
Back
low.
up for get your shield back.
Yeah, balls.
They got walls till 50.
I don't have a barrier for you. Watch out.
Comes left. He's dead. Good res.
Shields
Thank
down,
you.
shields down. Charging
Good
shield.
pick. Good pick. Ryan or Diva.
She's resing her.
Diva's DMAC.
It's fine, Diva.
It's not comp, it's scrim.
Dang, Ace.
Yeah.
There's a Widow in the back. No, wait, there's a Junk too.
Just push cart. I don't think he'll try to contest here.
He should.
Diva might actually. Diva. Diva's cut out left side.
Somebody's top
Widow
left.
right.
Widow right, I mean.
Widow one.
She's low. I got it.
Oh, shoot.
Need heals
Heals,
in the back
please.
here.
Someone is still like in
Sphinx
this
needs
room,
heals,
I'm
too.
pretty sure.
I got
Alright.
Shatter ready.
We got like everything.
Yeah, we have all.
I'm gonna walls. You can look for a grab early, okay?
Okay, yeah. I'm actually gonna.
Don't think twice, just use it.
I'm coming
Yo.
right side. Big. You can do it.
Healers in it. Healers in it.
Yeah, big.
Ryan
Diva's up top.
Run half.
Alright, Ryan.
Diva.
Even
Alright,
if
Diva next.
Ooh, baby.
always. Okay.
She died for it. Zen?
Guava, save your ult for
Oh, Zen's down.
shield.
No staggers, bitch ass. Big lead.
Pushing up.
Big league.
Watch the tire. It's coming right
Guys,
around.
coming right side.
It's gonna be right above you,
Right.
Sphinx.
Oh, it's coming for me. No, please.
Yeah, I think it's trying to get me as well. It's going for
I
Sphinx
actually
still.
couldn't hit it, dude.
Yes, I got it.
Oh, huge! Ryan!
Got him next behind.
Ryan!
Oh my god. Alright, you guys can win that. You should be
Go
fine.
Cougars!
Mercy.
Mercy.
Actually, junk. Junk's killable.
Junk discord.
Alright, now Mercy.
Mercy discord.
Nice, guys.
Oh.
Suli, I saw you popping off at the end
Yeah,
there.
dude, you're a god.
Good job, guys.
Dude, you positioned so perfectly, like right behind that Ryan. That was just fat, dude.
That was really good.
Thanks, guys. You guys did well.
Prepare to attack.
Also, Sully, something I've been trying to do a lot more on Farah. You probably already do it, but just if you ever see a Mercy resing, just shoot
I did,
a
I know.
concussion right between her and
Got it.
the
Yep.
target.
Yeah, I learned that a few weeks ago.
If you see a Mercy,
Yeah,
kill her.
Forehead.
because Robot Walrus kept doing that to me
Yeah,
against when we
yeah,
played against them, and it was so frustrating.
Yeah, Robo's a good Pharah.
That's because
He didn't beat me in a 1v1 though.
all he plays, dude.
Hey now, Robot plays Junkrat sometimes.
Laura?
Wingless Farah, yeah.
Attack commences in 30
Ground Farah.
It's Junkrat and Skyrat.
Far and ground, far. Or bitch far, if you will.
Oh.
Whoa.
Dang, that's
Alright, we just need first tick, right?
Yeah.
PR.
Alright.
Alright, straight up the fucking middle and round left then.
There's no need to yell.
I'm not yelling, I'm just loud. I'm loud
This-
talking to kids.
Curse.
If they're running the junk, don't walk into spam, okay, Sphinx?
Oh, I'll walk into it.
Let me get some charge off of it.
Don't tell me how to live my life, they got Faro.
Faro's one. Mercy one.
So set up lower left.
freaking line shield.
I'm getting pressured pretty hard.
Shields at 1,000. 500, 500. Shield charging.
Faro's on your right side.
Ryan discord.
Pharah's one. Pharah's down.
Ryan's one, Ryan's one, Ryan's one. Ryan's one.
Mercy's
Run,
run.
Hog. Oh, no,
Hog.
hog.
I got him. Shit.
Zen's on left. Zen.
Hanzo discord. Hanzo discord.
Hanzo behind you.
Hanzo discord behind. Thank you.
I didn't even see.
You guys call a lot of like dead targets already.
Right?
Yeah.
Hanzo dead.
We want to make sure they're dead.
No, but that's
Listen.
not what I mean.
Quava.
Beat the shit
The
out of
dead
dead
ones are
body.
easier to hit.
You're right. You're right.
You're not wrong.
They don't move as much. Do we like it?
I hope they're easier to hit. Oh, this was Bigly.
The
Hey,
same
look,
thing is
there's
happening.
Crash daddy.
Oh
I'm
look.
sorry, Guava. I watched him go back there, and I should have just followed him.